Meanwhile, the NDRRMC says one person is confirmed dead in the wake of Typhoon Labuyo. 20 others, all fishermen, are reported missing. For the details, here's Aya Macalma.
The lone fatality confirmed by the NDRRMC was backhoe operator Omar Salicon, 22 years old. He was buried alive by a landslide while doing a clearing operation in Tuba, Benguet. The NDRRMC also reported that only 13 persons have been reported missing in the wake of the typhoon. 7 of them are in Camarines Norte and 6 in Bolinao, Pangasinan. Those reported earlier as missing in Catanduanes and Camarines Norte have all been accounted for. With the typhoon moving farther away, vessels have been given the go signal to sail, lowering the number of stranded persons in various seaports in southern Tagalog and Bicol region. The NDRRMC said a total of 1,895 persons or 448 families evacuated from their homes in Region 2, 3, and Cordillera Region. Undersecretary Eduardo De Rosario confirmed that Aurora Province is badly hit by Typhoon Labuyo. Several areas in the province remain without power as electric posts were torn down by the typhoon.
Sa report ng nakukuha po natin, ang pinakamaraming naapektuhan na damaged houses, mga trees na mga natumba at mga hindi possible ang mga road nets ay ang probinsya ng Aurora. At ito ay natural na ma-expect natin dahil yung 165 km per hour wind na dala-dala ni Bagyong Labuyo ay unang tumama sa probinsya ng Aurora.
Clearing operations are ongoing. Relief goods are also on their way to affected areas.
As stated by the Governor of Aurora, they are proceeding to Aurora by tomorrow to deliver the relief goods. So kahit naman na medyo sa isang lugar na not possible, they can carry the goods and transfer to the other side para meron masasakyan on the other side. So this can be they can do something on the ground to ensure the delivery of relief goods to affected barangays or municipalities.
In Dinalungan, Aurora alone, the local government said that the initial cost of damage in infrastructure alone is placed at 12 million pesos. The NDRRMC will remain on red alert while Typhoon Labuyo is still in the Philippine area. Responsibility. For the People's Television, Waywaya Macalma.